Welcome. If you've ever missed an important message or update on Discord because you didn't get a notification, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Get Notifications within Discord feature on your mobile device, so you never miss out on anything important again. This is the most up-to-date method, so follow along step by step. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap it. Tapping your profile picture will open up the User Settings menu. This is where you can customize all sorts of things about your Discord experience. For today, we're focusing on notifications, so scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. Inside the notifications section, you'll see a variety of options that control how and when you get alerts from Discord. What we're looking for is the toggle labeled Get Notifications within Discord. This feature ensures you'll receive notifications directly inside the app, even if you have other notification settings turned off on your device. If the toggle is currently off, simply tap it to turn it on. You should see it switch colors, indicating that notifications within Discord are now enabled. That's it. You've just made sure you'll get notified about messages, mentions, and other important activity while you're using the app. Before you finish up, take a moment to review the other notification settings available. You can customize which types of notifications you want to receive, and even set preferences for specific servers or channels. This way, you're only alerted about the things that matter most to you. And there you have it. Enabling Get Notifications within Discord is quick and easy, but it makes a big difference in staying connected with your friends and communities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.